Our top story. Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Vice President Rahul Gandhi will lead a march of party leaders to Rashtrapati Bhavan today to appeal to President Pranab Mukherjee to use his constitutional powers to end what the Congress believes is the atmosphere of intolerance. The Gandhis and other party leaders will march from Parliament House to Rashtrapati Bhavan to plead with the President that as head of the nation, he should ensure an end to communal polarization. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday targeted Sonia Gandhi, saying the Congress President has no moral right to lecture the NDA on tolerance, particularly after what happened, the goings-on, the events that took place in November 1984. The anti-Sikh riots is what he was referring to.
1984 का 2 नवंबर याद करो, 1984 का इंदिरा गांधी जी की हत्या के दूसरा दिन, तीसरा दिन, चौथा दिन दिल्ली में, हिंदुस्तान में सिखों का कत्लेआम चल रहा था, कत्लेआम किया जा रहा था। कांग्रेस पार्टी पर गंभीर आरोप लगे थे, कांग्रेस के नेताओं पर गंभीर आरोप लगे थे और आज उसी 2 नवंबर को कांग्रेस पार्टी टॉलरेंस पर भाषण देने लगी है। अरे डूब मरो, आपको शोभा नहीं देता है। अभी भी उन सिखों के परिवारों के आंसू पोंछे नहीं गए हैं। अभी भी उस यातनाओं से जीने वाले लोगों को लोग कैसे भुला सकते हैं भाइयों? और आप एक ड्रामेबाजी कर रहे हो।
आज हमारी यह विरासत खतरे में है। ये बहुत दुख की बात है कि जिस विविधता ने हमें पहचान दी है और जिसने हमें दुनिया में अनोखा बनाया है, आज कुछ खास विचारधारा वाले संगठन और लोग उसका दुरुपयोग भारत के लोगों को आपस में बांटने के लिए कर रहे हैं।
बीजेपी और आरएसएस की फिलॉसफी ही यही है कि हिंदुस्तान के नागरिकों को एक दूसरे से लड़ाओ। इनका यूएसपी यही है और कुछ इनके पास है नहीं। कोई विजन नहीं है, कोई सोच नहीं है, तो ये करेंगे, हम इनको रोकेंगे, इनसे लड़ेंगे और इनको हराएंगे।
Let's now cut across live to India Today's executive editor Javed Ansari. Morning, Javed. This meeting, the shots that we are playing out, is a meeting that took place between the Congress President Sonia Gandhi and the President of the country. This happened yesterday. Today, again, there is a meeting. 2 meetings in 2 days, back to back. What's really on the agenda and what is the Congress planning?
Look, as far as this evening's meeting is concerned, the Congress will take a march. Senior Congress leaders led by Mrs. Sonia Gandhi will march to the Rashtrapati Bhavan and present a memorandum, present a petition to the President seeking his intervention in this growing atmosphere of intolerance. The President cannot do much. He's already spoken out on 3 different occasions. He gave an interview to us in which he also voiced his concern. But nonetheless, when the head of the state voices his concern, there is a certain amount of traction on that, and it has to be taken seriously. They want to highlight the fact, in conjunction with what these members of civil society and intelligence are doing. The Congress is, by marching there, they want to highlight the fact and focus attention on this issue. There is this great disquiet in the country. A lot of people who are not politically aligned have also voiced their concerns, and Congress is, by marching to the President, trying to just highlight that issue.
All right, Javed Ansari, many thanks for joining us at this moment.